Windows 10 and 11 have a smart feature called Focus Assist. It's there to help you get on with the most important things. But if you've used its Do Not Disturb feature in the past, you might have noticed it didn't block all notifications. Some were still allowed through if they were on a priority list. That's the problem now being addressed in Windows 11. In the major update due later this year, Do Not Disturb will mean exactly that. Nothing will be able to slip through and distract you. No notifications, no icons, nothing. Instead, your alerts will sit in the notification center ready for when you've finished your important task. Sounds good, right? To benefit from this, type Focus Assist in the taskbar search box. From there, you can select which options you'd like to set and which notifications, if any, can get through to you. Just don't forget to switch it off when you've finished your task. We've got a ton of productivity advice like this. If your team needs help to stay focused and get more done, give us a call.